5. Directly some rules for the exponents in that. So first main, it is exercise directly questions. First main find, it is written first main find. In that first one, 64 the power 1 by 2. 64 we can write as the base 2. 64 divided by 2, 32, again by 2, 16. I hope you know this one by factors, prime factors numbers. So it can be written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the power 6 the power 1 by 2. Now you know that a the power m, the power n is equal to a the power m into n. This law of exponents. So we can write it that 2 the power 6 into 1 by 2. So 1, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So we can write 2 the power 3. 3 1 ja 3. 2 the power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So the answer of this 64 the power 1 by 2 is equal to 8. It is answer. Next, taking the another question from here. So another question says that another question says that 32 the power 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Now 32 we are going to the base as the 2 only and the powers base. So 32 we can write like this, prime factorization. 2, 16 will come, again 2, then it will come 8, again 2, then it will come the 4, again 2, then it will be the 2, then 2 and 1. So we can write the 32, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the power 5. The power 1 by 5. This power as it is 1 by 5, and you know that a the power m, the power n is equal to a the power m into n. So we can write 2 the power 5 into 1 by the 5 cancel. So what we come to the power 5, 1 1 ja 1, to the power 1 is equal to 2, and that is the answer of this question. Next we are going to do the third question. In that first main third question, it says that 125 the power 1 by 3, means we have to change this into the power only. So 125 it is the, you know that it divisible by the 5 only, because of ending last digit is the 5, so it is divisible by the 5. So 5, then it will come to 25, again 5, then it will come the 5, and again 5, then 1. So we can write 5 the power 3 the power 1 by 3, and already I said a the power m into the power n is equal to a the power m into n. So we can write 5 the power 3 the power 1 by 3, 3 cancel upon 5 the power 1 is equal to 5. Now this is the answer. Now we are going to second main question. In that article also written it is find and what are the questions given. Here question given that 9 the power 3 by 2. Means same as it is, as how we done the first main, according to that only. So 9 I can write, 9 we can write 3 into 3, means 3 the power